What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Scooter, and we are back with another video. Look guys, I wasn't able to do much with the car in January. It rained for like a whole week, and then it was just super cold the whole month in Louisiana. You guys already know that I'm working on the car outside of my shop, but I did get under the car with a cutting torch, and I got a hold of the body bolts. And as soon as we get that body off the frame, I can put the frame inside the shop and get started back on it. But guys, I bought a new project. I'm sitting in it right now making this video. It's a 2006 GMC single cab short bed. It does have a 4.8 liter V8. The truck runs and drives great. I'm excited. You guys already know that we're gonna be putting a lowering kit and some big wheels, and I'll be doing a couple little custom things here and there, some metal work or something. But I'll put some videos of it in here in this video, and we'll kind of go over some stuff then, and that way you guys can see the truck. But we also got Lone Star Throwdown this weekend. Me and a few buddies here locally are going to be leaving in the morning to go to Conroe, Texas. It's supposed to be a huge turnout. We're excited, and we know we're going to have a good time. But continue to help the channel, guys. My channel's steadily growing. Thank you each and every one of y'all for the support. Thank you to the new subscribers. Guys, just like, share, and comment this video because it helps me as a smaller channel. And I hope you guys enjoy. So, while we were sitting there making that intro, guys, a buddy of mine, he works nights. And he texted me, he said, man, I still got to go wash my truck. And he said, man, go get my, I told him I was making my video, and he said, just go get my keys. And he said, video washing my truck. I said, I will. So we're actually in his truck now. He's got a lifted Dodge Cummins. It's a good looking truck. It's got really low miles for the year. And so we're headed over there to clean it up for him. And I'm in it right now, but you guys stay tuned. It ain't the best lighting, but we're over here at the wash bay trying to get this thing cleaned up for him, so he'll be ready to go to show this weekend. But overall, it's a pretty clean truck. All right, guys, really quick. I'm kind of running out of daylight for tonight, but here's the new project. It's a 2006 GMC single cab short bed. It does have the 4.8 in it, like I was saying, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse. This video is going to be short because I've had to rush everything today because we got Lone Star Throwdown in the morning. But you guys already know we're going to put a lowering kit on it. We're going to go with some 24-inch wheels. I got a paint scheme in mind, but I think I'm just going to hold on to that for a little bit because I'm not quite sure how I want to do everything just yet. But I don't quite know what I want to do inside the bed yet. I may try to smooth out the walls, do a little sheet metal work in here. I'm not sure. I may just keep it factory, just put a bed liner in it. I want to shave these stake holes. We're going to shave the tailgate handle. We'll possibly put a roll pan. I'm thinking about doing just a smoothie with a license plate box in the tailgate. Of course, we're going to debadge it, get all the badges off. I'm going to have to do a full spray because this design, this logo stripe that was on here, the previous owner tried to remove it, and it was actually taking the paint with it. But it had, guys, for the price I paid for it, it was really cheap, really cheap. It had a bad cracked dash. I went this morning to a junkyard, ended up picking up this dash pad for 50 bucks, and it's in pretty good shape. And then when I got back, I realized that my bezel had a little tiny crack. So I'll probably end up replacing that also. But overall, sorry for the mess, guys. Like I said, I've been rushing. A buddy of mine just gave me that double den Kenwood to put in here. Ended up getting the kit to do it also. But nowhere in town had the wiring harness. So now it's just sitting in the seat. But the interior, we're not going to get too wide with it. I may do like a little console here in the middle. I'll probably end up redoing the headliner. Probably delete the sun visors, custom console. I may put some paint on the dash. It's not going to be too crazy. Let's see. Just show you guys, it is a V8 truck. 4.8 liter V8. And I have not cleaned under here. This is exactly how I bought it. And it's pretty clean in here. This was like the main reason I bought this truck. These things in my state are going for very good money right now. And the price that I paid for this truck, I can easily put $5 grand in it, make it exactly how I want it, sell it, and probably still make profit. I just want to show you guys the truck. It's a sweet little ride. I'm excited. And you know, I just hope you guys stay tuned, because I'm planning on getting a good amount of footage this weekend. This is my first Lone Star Throwdown, and it's supposed to be a really good turnout. And I mean, I'm just ready to go. So we're gonna get lots of footage. We're gonna make some videos. Thank you guys for the support. Like, share, and comment this video, because it helps me as a smaller channel. And I hope you guys enjoy.